I'm a senior in high school and I have only 2 classes on Mondays and Wednesdays, so I have way too much free time on my hands. It's like nothing I've ever known. It's great. So I'm here to show you guys what I do on the days I have long afternoons after my classes. This is what I usually do after school. Every single day is different, obviously, but I usually do something along these lines every day, just in different places or in different order. So let's get into it. Starting off, my job is obviously social media. I work with brands and today we have a sponsor. Please welcome Princess Polly back to my channel, you guys. I have so many fall pieces to show you that I got from Princess Polly. I'm literally recording myself with my selfie stick, aka tripod. I feel like this monstrosity needs a name, so leave your suggestions in the comments. Anyway, as I was saying, today's sponsor is Princess Polly. I'm going to try on all these pieces and I have a code for you right here on the screen. It's Miss Katie and it'll get you 20% off. Getting this package in the mail made me so excited for fall. I'm ready. So I'm gonna get right into this. Princess Polly offers free express shipping, which is like 3 to 4 days to the US on orders over $50, and they ship from within the United States. They also offer AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers, and everything is linked down below. Here we go. We're going off mic. Sorry about the audio, but I know that my future self is going to hate me if I have to match all of it up. So you're getting the quality straight from the G7X. Starting off with all my accessories. I got these cute rings, 2 here. This one is my favorite of the set. And the heart in this ring is my grandma's. I wear it every day, and I am one to lose jewelry all the time. I've lost so many rings, so many earrings. So in my life, it's always time for a replacement. These earrings are beautiful. They're the best of both worlds because it's a gold hoop, but you also get the dangly look because of the green heart on the end, and they match my eyes, which is also a win. And this gorgeous necklace, it's dainty and simple, and it's like the perfect little dollop of whipped cream on top of an outfit. Moving along, sunglasses and this hair clip. Princess Polly clips are the best because you can actually get all of your hair in the hair clip. I have this blue one also. I have no idea where it is right now. I don't have the patience to look around for it because it's gonna take me forever to find it, but they hold your hair like no other. If you have thick hair, you know the way to go. I also love a half up moment with a hair clip and sunglasses. You can never have enough, honestly. I'm gonna put these black ones in my car so I can just have them in my, what's the word? The thing above my rearview mirror. I have a sunglasses holder up there, so these are going in there. And that's it for the accessories. Next, clothing. Usually when I do try on hauls, I will show you guys what the pieces look like in the mirror, but I want to switch it up. I want to make it more fun so you can guys, so you guys, I've spoken a lot today, can really see the pieces in action. So I'm going to put everything on, and one of these I will wear tonight because I'm going to go get dessert with Matt later. It is like 2, 3, almost 3 o'clock, I think. Right now I had a lunch meeting today. Sorry, I'm going in a million different directions. I had a lunch meeting today after my 2 classes, and then I came home and cleaned up my room a little bit so I could film this video. Okay. Back to the present moment, starting off with outfit number 1. On top, we have the Rolling Stones shirt. The details are the best. The colors are so much fun, and I feel like this would go with so many things. I would style this with sneakers, these jeans I'm about to talk to you guys about, the claw clip, and this Princess Polly crossbody. If you want to dress it up, you totally could. Throw on this white skirt, tuck in the front, and these boots. These are from Princess Polly. I have had these for years now. I showed these in a haul like a million years ago, but I still wear them. These babies are probably coming with me to college. And for the pants, this is what they look like. I don't know what size I got these in. I will put them on the screen, but they are fun and trendy, and I go to private school so I can wear them to school on the days we have free dress because they don't have any rips in them. I also love the color and how they are distressed at the bottom, and so many of the other tops can go with this or switch in and out to other pieces. The pants are another thing you could totally dress up or down. Also, if it's cold, puffer. Throw up the hair, and there you go. Outfit number 1. Before I move to the next one, I want to talk to you guys about this puffer jacket. I got it in an extra small / small because a lot of the reviews said that it was oversized, and even the title of the product says it's oversized. It looked so good on the model. That's honestly always what gets me when I'm online shopping, is the way an item looks on the model. I also haven't bought a puffer jacket in a really long time. I live in Southern California. Like, I don't need it, you know what I mean? But I want to go on a trip to the snow this year. I haven't seen the snow in a hot minute, so this will be coming with me. It's beyond comfy. I love the neutrals. If you guys follow Melena Ciciotti, I don't know if you do. If you don't, you should. She just went to Alaska, and this reminds me of an outfit she wore in Alaska, and I want to take it to Alaska. Probably not happening anytime soon, but maybe one day. Also the detailing, like the black thick zippers, big pockets, and an adjustable bungee cord at the waist so you can cinch it as tight or as loose as you want it to be. Okay, next outfit. Here is outfit number 2. The top is a little scandalous, but I really like that you don't have to wear a bra with it. And oh my gosh, this skirt. I need to show you guys how you can mess with it. You can make it longer, like that's past my fingertips if you want it to be long, or you can pull it together and make it shorter. I love pieces like that that are versatile because I can wear that to Thanksgiving with my family and also to brunch with my friends if I want to take cute pictures and like make it a little shorter, you know. I have a size 6 in the top and a size 4 in the white skirt. I have 2 more tops to show you guys before I move on to the third outfit. This is the first one, and I feel like this is the perfect transition piece between fall and summer. It's colorful, but it also is sweater-like and keeps you cozy. I love it with the pants I had on earlier. If I went to public school and not private school and I didn't have to wear a uniform, I would totally wear this literally tomorrow. I love the pattern. It's super stretchy, super flattering, and it's just like a fun piece of clothing. I love it, and I feel like it's something you wouldn't find easily. It's a size small, and you guys will see some more b-roll of what it looks like on in these clips. Stay tuned for me wearing this in a lot of vlogs because I love this shirt. I think this, or this tank top, this and the Rolling Stone shirt are my favorite tops from this haul. And the other item is this button up. This gives me very much business casual vibes. Let me put it on. The silk, I love it. Here it is. I'm not at all wearing the right bottoms for this, but just imagine it tucked into like black jeans. The vibes I get from this is like, don't talk to me, I'm going to a meeting. I'm really channeling my inner corporate girl with this top on. I never know where I could be in like 5 years. Isn't that weird? I have to get a big girl job in like 5 years. I should go to college. I'm not gonna do this right now. Last but not least, we have outfit number 3. This set is so comfy, and the color of these slides is everything to me. I love them. Here's another view of the set. It's really cozy. It feels like I'm wearing a big oversized t-shirt, and the shorts are a perfect fit. This outfit would be perfect for after school, like in this moment, if I just come home and I want to be comfy and get out of my uniform, because it's cozy enough to just be at home and relax, but it's also put together enough. You could put on a crossbody or a fanny pack and sneakers. You look cute if you need to go out, run errands, whatever you're doing. So that is everything for this haul. I'm gonna get on to the rest of the activities for my afternoon. It's a little bit later now. It's like 4 something because it took me a while to film this, but after this I want to be all done with my YouTube work. I have a little bit of editing to knock out later, but I'm just gonna put that off because sometimes I honestly work better later at night. So I'll edit later, do all my computer work before bed. Usually I work out after school, whether it's going to like a workout class, Pilates, the gym. I've been to Pilates a couple times now and I'm really liking it. It's gonna take me some time to get used to it. It's also so expensive, so I'm trying to decide if I want to commit to it because I love my gym too. You get the gist. Also, I forgot to tell you guys the size that I'm wearing in this. It's a 4, and I should have closed off this section of the video by saying don't forget to shop Princess Polly down below in the description box and use the code MissKatie for 20% off. I love you, Princess Polly. As I was saying with working out, I will go to like a yoga class, Pilates, run on the treadmill. I honestly do a variety of different things because I get really bored easily with my workouts. Today though, I'm tired. I had morning practice. I was up at 5 something because I showered this morning and I washed my hair and blow dried it because I didn't do it the night before. I don't know what got into me. Some mornings I just feel like I can do it all and be on top of the world, and this morning was one of those mornings, but I'm feeling it now. I'm so tired, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna take my dog for a walk around the neighborhood because she was home like the first half of the day all by herself and I feel bad. And then I will leave to Matt's house after I eat dinner. I'm trying to get a hold of my mom because she said she would be home, but I don't know where she is. She's probably just working late because she was gonna make her tater tot casserole for dinner, which is like my favorite thing she makes, so I wanted to eat that before I left. Long story short, next thing on my agenda for the day is to walk Reba. I feel like Reba has not had her shining moment in the vlog recently. She's literally the sweetest dog ever. She's being camera shy. Hi. Can I kiss? Thank you. Reba, do you want to go for a walk? Yeah, you want to go? Okay. My mom is not making her casserole anymore.
Having leftovers. You know, there's certain leftovers that are really good. One is lasagna.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm a deadbeat mom. I didn't make dinner. But, you know, all my children are old enough to make their own dinner.
So I'm gonna go hungry.
There's other food. There's plenty of food.
We don't have any food in this house.
Oh my gosh, I just went grocery shopping yesterday.
Okay, I'll figure out my dinner situation in a little bit. I'm honestly not even that hungry right now, so it doesn't even matter. But me and Reba had a good walk. She's a happy dog. Speaking of dogs, happy dogs especially, it is Buddy's birthday week. Buddy's birthday was yesterday. Buddy is Matt's dog, and I love his dog. So I'm gonna leave for his house in a sec, and then on my way, I'm gonna stop at the pet store to get Buddy a birthday present. I'm going to Disneyland tomorrow after my classes with my friend Grace, so I need to prepare for that. I have a lot to do when I get back, but The only homework I have is stats stuff, which I'm gonna do with Matt at his house because we have the same class. I finished all my other work earlier today in between my last class and that lunch meeting. Also, I want to put my hair in this curler again. This is from Princess Polly. I talked about this in my last haul. As I was saying, this thing, the heatless curl situation, I want to do that tonight. Maybe a little face mask moment. I just have time today, so I'm being kind of ambitious. I also have a load of laundry in the washer, so I'll try to fold that when I get back. We'll see, but I'm gonna go get Buddy his present first. And this is the outfit that I decided on. Also, tomorrow to Disneyland, I'm wearing this shirt. This is from Princess Polly too. I got this though on my own, not from a video I did with them, but I wanted to show you guys because it's so cute. Mickey's on a skateboard, and Grace is gonna bring me Disney ears. Psych, you thought I was leaving? I have secured Buddy's toy, Yoda. I brought a bag so I can surprise him. He's a very smart dog, like he knows when he's getting a gift. So I had to give him the full experience. Anyway, I need to go now because I told Matt I would be there like a long time ago before I realized how long it was gonna take me. Also, I'm loving this lip gloss. I got it for prom and I'm a big fan. I'll link it down below and I'll link the rest of my makeup in my Amazon storefront. My car screams at me every time I turn on the engine because it has multiple things wrong with it. I actually did go get stuff checked out. It just is fine. My car says it's not, but the dealership says it is. So it's not like I'm being irresponsible about getting my stuff checked. It's just my car's dumb. Okay, I'll talk to you guys when I get there. This is Buddy. Buddy, you have to say hi. Sit. He's a really good boy.
He's the best.
Today, or yesterday, Buddy's 7.
Mail in your gifts for Buddy. You should get
Buddy's,
a PO box.
wish Buddy a happy birthday in the comments.
You
What?
should get a PO box and do reopen what people send you. No, that's good content. You know that's good content.
Look at that face. Buddy is a good boy. Now, we're doing our stats. I ate dinner. We're about to do our stats homework, and then I will be on my merry way home for the rest of my activities tonight. We had dinner. It was quite delicious with his family.
And it was Buddy's birthday. Look at him, flash him. Look right there.
Aww.
Yay, Buddy.
It's not focused, but there's Buddy. I'll talk to you guys when it's all done. Homework is all done. I'm back home now, and it is time to start winding down for the night.